Good morning and welcome to Turn It Up a Notch Tuesday. And today we're going to talk about how to have others have confidence in you. It's not who you are and who you think you are that holds you back. It's who you think you're not that really matters. So think about that for a second. Others want to see confidence in you, absolutely. So let's start with self-talk. Let's say, for example, you're a salesperson, but it could be whatever profession you're in. When I'm making dials, when I'm talking to myself during the day, I'm constantly saying, I'm the best salesperson working for the best company with the best products and services for this person at this time. And I'm doing it all the time because self-talk goes into your head. It's hard to say something positive about yourself and then think something negative. So what could you say about yourself every day? Think about it. Next is the way you have confidence is you gotta feel like you know it. So we call it PDR. I say 15 minutes a day of technique and 15 minutes a day of motivation pouring into your head, and you're practicing. So practice makes perfect. A couple of things I want to think about today is carry a list around with you of other people that you've actually made successful and tell stories about those people. See, when you're telling stories about other people that have had success with your program and things that you've done, it makes you feel like, yeah, you know what? We really are good. This is a good thing. And it's not being cocky, it's absolutely telling stories of others. I'm a big person, huge person in testimonial letters. When you do something good for somebody, ask them to put it in writing. Ask them if they wouldn't mind writing a short email to you or a letter saying what they've been able to get out of using your products and services. And it's so much better when someone else says you're good than you say you're good. And lastly, and this is getting to the core, guys, is show people that you care about them. When you show people that you absolutely care about their well-being, they trust you, they have confidence in you. That expression, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, is so true, so true. So go out of your way to show them you care. Ask questions, listen better, smile, have eye contact. These are all things that make a huge difference. Remember, when people have confidence in you, you can accomplish so much more. That's Turn It Up a Notch for Tuesday. We'll talk to you again next week. Bye-bye.